Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload PDF on Whop. First, open your Whop website and log in to your account. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, find and click on the Whop you want to upload the PDF to. This will take you to the page where you can manage your products and apps. After that, look for the option called App Store. Click on it to open a list of apps that you can add to your Whop. Inside the search bar, type the word Files. You should see an app named Files appear in the results. Click on the Add button next to it. This app allows you to upload files like PDFs and share them with your customers or members. Once the app is added, go back to your Whop page and click on Edit at the top right corner. In this view, you will see an option called Add Files. Click on it. A file selection window from your computer will open. Now, find the PDF file on your computer that you want to upload. Click on the file to select it and then click Open. The upload will start, and after a few moments, your PDF will be successfully added to your Whop. You can add a title or description if you want, so your members know what the file contains. Thanks for watching.